this, but there's a storm rolling in, as you guys can tell by the entrance of the video. So we're gonna have to keep this one short and sweet. But it was all nice and sunny out, and looking like that over there. And the clouds started rolling in, so it changes what I can shoot. So I want to do an update on the van. I got the steering stabilizer off of it. I'm having an issue with it going to the left, which a lot of guys online with the review of that Bilstein shock says it will go left. But I took the stabilizer off and I still kind of got to drift to the left a little bit. I adjusted my steering gear box a little bit so I can get a little more of the play out of the steering. So I adjusted the steering gear box. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to put it on the rack. And I want to try to get some caster out of the driver's side. I think the last time I did it, I had like 2.5, 3 degrees out of the passenger side and only like 1.5 degrees out of the driver's side. And you really only want like a 0.5 degree difference. So that's probably why it's favoring the left-hand side, is my caster is way lower on that side. But so we're gonna align it again and then go from there. She's all dirty right now. Just drove through a bunch of mud and stuff to get out here by the river. So, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. Also, tomorrow night, hopefully I'll do a video. My buddy's got a 2000, I think it's a 15 Sierra. I've seen it on our channel a couple times. But we're gonna be putting rock lights on it, and don't miss that video. I'm gonna try to do it real quick. He is like the man when it comes to wiring, so it'll be a really cool video. He takes his time and does the wiring like you're supposed to. Alright, so as I was saying, he does wiring the way you should do it. He's wiring up, I think, 2 rock lights in each fender well, 2 underneath, and it's gonna be pretty cool because he's putting disconnects in at all the rock lights, so if he ever has to pull his fender liners out, it's all connectors, so you can unplug them. You know, you don't have to worry about cutting wires and resplicing them. You know, just little things like that that really change your project from being just a you know, thrown together to done right, you know. And that's what I try to do, stuff right, you know. So I'll buy something, see if I like it or not. Same thing with the steering. I could drive it like it is, and my steering, you know, it wouldn't bother a lot of people, but I just want to tune it in and just dial it in, you know, make it right, you know. I don't want to just drive around just because it looks cool and my steering wheel is going all over the place and it sucks. So yeah, keep in tune, you know. Wiring, he ordered a special wire. It's actually for like underground utility for like landscaping lights and stuff, so it's waterproof. You know, he's not using speaker wire or nothing. I don't know if you guys just saw that lightning on camera, but dang. So storm's getting closer. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do a video tomorrow night and get it uploaded Thursday or Friday later in the week on wiring up some rock lights. So if you guys are looking for that. Also, he's got some cool things he did. If you guys know anybody with a Sierra, a lot of cool little tricks he did with his tow mirrors and stuff. So I'm gonna go into depth on that. But yeah, dude, just wanted to give you guys an update on the van. I appreciate everybody subscribing. First time tuning in, Jason with An Auto Addiction. I rock the 2-wheel drive lifted van. She's dirty right now, but she's pretty cool. Not too crazy. You know, it's got headers, dual exhaust. I need to order a new compressor for the train horns. She's all muddy right now, so hopefully wash her up this weekend. But yeah, tune in, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. I try to do builds that are, you know, cost effective. A lot of average people can afford them. I wish one day, hopefully, I can be like some of these guys and buy, you know, cars that have like already a brand new platform. So, you know, when I bought this thing about 3.5 years ago now. You know, it wasn't a bad van, but you know, it was still a 20-year-old van almost. So now it's 22 years old. So it was 19 years old when I got it. So I just needed to start by, you know, I had all the little stuff that I needed to do to it, like all the bushings were rotted out, all the wheel bearings, brakes. You know, you gotta go through all that baseline stuff before you can start putting your time and efforts into a project truck. So before I could start doing the I had to tear all the graphics off of it, tear all the running boards. So, you know, just a lot of work went into it before I even got to a platform where I could start making it look cool, you know. So one day it'd be cool to buy something that's already drivable and I can just do the aesthetics and do the cool stuff to it, you know. Same thing with my little Sierra pickup. I bought that, the lower end was locked up. It didn't even run. So I had to spend time and money getting it running. And then I had a wheel bearing issue, you know, doing all that little stuff before I could lower it down and put the wheels on it and stuff like that. So just a matter of doing it right, you know. I like buying stuff that's somebody else kind of wants to get rid of and doesn't think it has any potential left, and then you turn it into something like this. So pretty cool. Alright guys, so this storm's rolling in. It's getting a little even closer, so I don't want to be out here filming. But we'll be taking it to the house, and appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be rolling out here in a second.